there. So in this video, I will show you on how you can pull out reports on your Seller Central account in order for you to understand what are the charges that you're incurring when you are selling on Amazon. So there's a lot of new sellers who ask me this question on how they can fully understand what's happening with their payout. Why is there charges? What are their charges? Why am I not receiving any money when I'm just starting? So in this video, I will give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually see the actual charges of Amazon by going to your Seller Central. So let's dive in. Okay, from your Seller Central account, what you're going to do is you're going to go on this section and you're going to go to your reports. So you're going to go to your payments. And once you go to your payments, you're going to click this date range report. Okay, so from here, once you click this report, it will take you to this page. So generate report, you click this button and you go by transaction instead of summary. So if you are doing your taxes, you can do your summary, but in here, we're going to do by transaction to understand exactly what are the charges. So you can do either by month or you can also do custom. So if you're looking for specific months, I would suggest to go for custom, but for this example, we will do by month. So let's do the March, and then I will click generate. So once you click that, you're going to see that it says here in progress. So that means I'm going to get a report from March 1 to March 31, and I'm going to get an Excel file of this. So I'm going to click refresh. As you can see, it download right away, and all you need to do is click download, and you will get the Excel file for it. So once you get your Excel file, I would actually delete some of the ones that's in here so that I can manipulate it and I can see properly. So I'm going to delete this, and then you will only have the title. So from here, you can actually go by filter, and it will give you now this one. Okay, so you can either play around with this by going either like by orders or by name. So I would go, for example, the description. So I would go by description, because then you will see if there's what are the fees that was minused or something. You can actually make it smaller, like for example 62%, something like that. So you can actually see what was subtracted. You can make it bigger and stuff. And then from here, you're going to understand what are the charges. So is it advertising? How much did they charge you? Did they give you some reimbursement and stuff like those? So you can actually look in here and see what are the charges. Then you will understand exactly, okay, how did Amazon come up with this number to give me as a payout? So I hope this video helps you on how to figure out what are the charges you're getting from Amazon to be able to receive that amount of payout at the end of the month.